Well, the current downslide of the roller coaster stock market has investors losing money in record amounts. But was it just a bad investment, or could there be some other factors involved? David Disraeli is with us. He is a certified financial planner. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Now, is it possible that investors may have been taken advantage of?
Absolutely. What we're seeing now is that a lot of advisors and stockbrokers put people's money in mutual funds and stocks that had a great long-term track record without really informing them of the risks. And in our business, we have a duty, what's called know the customer, which is to understand their stage in life, their tax situation, and if investments were sold to them that don't meet their objectives, they are actually in a position to collect, even if it was a bad market.
So if an investor feels that they were misled, what can they do?
Well, I think first it's easy to blame a broker when the market's down, but what they have to do is examine what it was that they decided the philosophy was going to be for their account, and compare that to what similar investments have performed at in terms of the rate of return, and then make a decision as to whether they were informed completely about the risks associated with those investments, and if so, then they're in a position to actually make a claim.
So there are things that the investor can do to avoid this kind of problem from happening in the first place.
Absolutely. I did want to add, though, that most brokers force the customer to sign what's called an arbitration agreement, which actually prevents them from going to court. And this is actually good because arbitration is less expensive, it's shorter, and in some cases the consumer doesn't even need an attorney. So the best way to avoid this is to have a firm understanding of what the broker or investment advisor's philosophy is ahead of time, and what the potential downside is when the market drops 20, 30, 40, or 50%, which is what happened with the NASDAQ last year.
Now, we're short on time right now. Where can folks get more information on this topic?
They can actually log on to our website. We have links to the NESD and other sites, which is www.zisto.com/DA.
All right, I'm writing it down myself, zisto.com/DA. David Disraeli, thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you.